Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to look at a platform called Fiverr and how you can use it to start making some extra money working from home and online. Now, like most things I share on the channel, it's free to get started on Fiverr. It's relatively simple and you do not need any experience. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'll show you this and I'll show you some really simple ways you can make some money on there. Before we jump into the video, if this is the first time you're on the channel, hello and welcome. My name is Mark. This on the screen is one of my blogs and it's called Not Taught at School, the same as a YouTube channel. Now I blog and I upload videos about making money online and working from home, and there's just so many ways that you can do this. And what I do is I tend to try and upload between 3 and 5 videos a week on YouTube, and then I also put articles over on my blog. So if you subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, you'll never miss when I go ahead and upload a video to YouTube. And look, I'll drop a link over to my blog. Feel free to go ahead and have a look at this. There's just lots of articles on here about making money online. So let's jump into today's video. So the site we're using is this one here, and it's called Fiverr, and you can get started on Fiverr for free. It's available worldwide. You simply sign up. You can even sign up using your Facebook account, and then once you're on here, along the top here, you've got all these different categories, and I'm going to show you some of these simple categories where you can go ahead and list your gigs and make money. Now, a gig is basically a listing on here. So if you put a gig up on Fiverr, it means you're basically putting up something on here. So this would be your image, this would be your product's name, this is your starting price, and it's really simple it genuinely is really simple to do. So I'm going to share with you a couple of different categories and different ways you can make money on here without any skills or any experience. So the first one we'll look at is email marketing. Now again, don't worry, because I'm going to show you where you can go and find emails that you can sell on here. So if you just scroll down here, like I say, I'm currently in the email marketing category. Now if we just scroll down here, I'm going to try and find some for you. So here's one. I will write short but effective emails for your email list, starting from £24. And this person here she's had over 1,000 reviews. So not everyone who buys on Fiverr leaves a review, so she will have sold a lot more gigs than 1,000 on here. But this is just one on here, so we're going to go ahead and have a look at some more. So this one's starting from £24.56. So if we scroll down, we're going to find some more on here. Build an auto email responder. I will write a powerful sales email series for you, starting from £115. And this person here has got 607 feedback. If I keep scrolling down here, I've got another one here. I will write a killer email for your marketing campaign, starting at £36. So you can go ahead and you can put up your own gigs on here and list them on here, and when someone buys these, you're then expected to go ahead and provide them with an email or emails that they can send to their email list. So what will happen is they will give you their product or their product or their service that they're trying to promote, and then you will be expected to write an email campaign for them. Now, how on earth are we going to go ahead and write an email campaign when we have no experience or knowledge? Well, it's really simple. We're going to go over to this platform here, and it's called Clickbank. Now, Clickbank, again, it's free to sign up. It'll take you a couple of minutes to sign up. Then once you've signed up, you want to be in the marketplace, and then on the left-hand side down here, you have all of your different categories down here, and if you click on any of these, it will then bring up subcategories. So you can go in and click on any of these. So what happens is on Fiverr, when you're selling your gig, somebody will come and say to you, right, I want you to go ahead and write an email campaign for me. This is the niche, this is the topic, or this is the product. So you'd simply come over to Clickbank and go for these categories and just click on the category. Then once you've done that, you can come in here. So you can see here I am on health and fitness. Now what you can do is just scroll through down here. Now it will give you the name of the product, but then you want to be looking for where it says affiliate page. Now if you click on affiliate page, it will take you through to another page where there are hundreds of different emails that you can go ahead and swipe. You then take those emails, you edit them to your buyer on Fiverr, and then you send the information back to them. It works really, really well, I promise you. I know many people who currently do this, and I used to do this in the past myself. So you simply come through and find an affiliate page and click on there. Now, not every affiliate page is going to go ahead and have these email swipes or email campaigns that you want. So we're just going to scroll through, and I've already been on here before the video and had a look at these because a few of these didn't have email swipes. Like this one here didn't have email swipes. I'm going to scroll down and find one that does have it for you. This one here, fat burning fingerprint. So you can see on here it's got a gravity of 88. That basically means it sold 88 copies today. So if I click on here, it will go through to the affiliate page for you. Now what you can do on here is you can scroll down, and you can they've got all sorts of stuff on here. They have email swipes, they have banners and things, but you can simply come on here, scroll down, just find the email swipes. Here's the email swipes. So you can copy these. So you would simply copy these, put them into a notepad, and then once the buyer on Fiverr tells you what niche they're in, what topic they're in, you'd come over to Clickbank, go through these, and then just find these. Now, in terms of on Clickbank and these email swipes, these are all done by professional marketers. They'll have spent hundreds, if not thousands of pounds having these email campaigns and swipes all designed for them. So you're getting really high quality email swipes. So with this, for example, you would come in here, obviously you would move this one here about belly fat, and you would put in whatever the person on Fiverr is promoting or want you to share. And there's just lots and lots of these email swipes that you can grab on Clickbank. Like on this page here, there's about 8 or 9 different ones on here that you can go ahead and do. I've got another one here that open. So this one here is, what is this? Get Younger Tomorrow. This was just, it was just another affiliate page that I clicked on, but again, they've got another email swipe on here, so you can go through and you can grab this and you can amend this again to your buyer on Fiverr. Now this is a really great way to make some extra money. It just takes a few minutes from going from Fiverr coming over to Clickbank. So that is just one way that you can make some money on here. The next one is a place called QualityPLRcom. So if you don't know what PLR means, it stands for private label rights. Now what happens is you can come onto sites like this, and there's many more, and you can buy products on here, and once you've bought them, you're available to go ahead and sell them. Now you can go and buy PLR on anything. You can buy blogs, you can buy software, you can buy ebooks, and all of those sorts of things you can go and list on Fiverr. So scroll back up to the top here. You'd go into these categories on here and find these, and you can simply just go ahead and list them in these different categories on here. So if you just go over to digital marketing, we've got e-commerce and marketing. So you can build it on Fiverr, you can list your gigs to build someone's e-commerce site or their website. And again, it's really simple. What would happen is you would come over to PLR here, Quality PLR. You can go through all of these different PLR products here, all the different niches, and you can find your products that you want to look at. So we'll just look at this one here. So this one here is a photography PLR niche blog. So what that means is, if we just scroll down here, you can see this here is a beautiful this is a beautiful new blog ready for you to profit from. It costs $3, and it tells you exactly what you can do with this. So can this be sold? Yes. Can it be sold for personal use? Yes. Can it be packaged with other products? Yes. But I mean, look, I won't go through them all, but you can see on here there's all these different things what you can and cannot do. So with this, you can't give it away for free, and can convey and sell private label rights. So you cannot sell private label rights to this, but you can sell this product. So you can go over onto Fiverr. Let's go back over here. You can go on Fiverr and list your, in fact, let's have a look. Let's do website design. Website design. You would come in here and you would list your website design, and then once you sell a website design, you simply go over to PLR, buy the product, go back over to Fiverr and send it to your buyer on Fiverr. It really is as simple as that. And like I say, on Quality PLR, there's hundreds of different things you can buy on there. There's softwares, there's ebooks, there's blogs, there's just so many different things that you can do. So you can go ahead and have a look at that. But again, it's another simple way how you can make some money on Fiverr. You don't need any special skills. You definitely don't need any experience. But these are really simple ways to make some extra money. Now if we just scroll down here, let's have a look at some of these different ones on here. So you can see I will do website design starting at £16. I will design responsive, attractive author website. What was that? 246. So you see all these different ones that are listed in here, and this here is just the starting price. it goes up. So if you were to click on any of these, let's click on this one here, we'll open this up and have a look at it. Click on here, we'll have a look at this one, see what this opens up for you. So come down here. So at the top here, $300, 10 days delivery. I will design an author website for you. Scroll down here, it tells you about the gig. So all this sort of stuff here, all of this in here about the gig, you would put this in yourself. You just type all of this in and then you upload your pictures and your prices on here, and you can see that, well, there's not much information on here, but basically this person will design an author website for you for it's $300. So again, you could list this yourself. Come over to QualityPLR. You would just search. Let's have a look for this one. Author blog. And what I would say on here is, if you can't find something when you're searching on the key box, just go into the category. So you'd go into the niche PLR and go to the blogs and just go through that way and try and find this. But I guarantee you will find on here a niche blog around for an author, and there's just hundreds of thousands of different ways that you can make money on Fiverr by using PLR products. That there was blogs, but again, you can use ebooks, softwares. There's lots and lots on there. Along the top here, SEO for instance, I know for a fact if you was to go ahead and buy an SEO product over on QualityPLR, like a search engine optimization ebook or a search engine optimization course, because it's courses that you can purchase, you can then take those products, come over to Fiverr and list them on Fiverr. So that is today's video. It's 2 or 3 simple ways that you can make some extra money on Fiverr without any skills or any experience whatsoever. If you have any questions, please leave them below. But thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.